Hi, I'm Jeff Cronenfeld, the Capitol Reports Coordinator for the Arizona Capitol Times, and this is a LOLA training video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access and use the Session at a Glance tile. The Session at a Glance tile provides users with a quick way to monitor and access bills at all points of progress through the legislative process. The tile appears on the LOLA homepage to the right of the calendar. At the top of the tile, the chamber status is listed. When in session, the date and time of each chamber's next reconvening will be listed. After session, the date and time that each chamber adjourned will be listed. Next, you'll find the number of days in the session. Below that, you'll find the number of bills posted, bills passed, bills vetoed, bills signed, memorial resolutions posted, and memorial resolutions passed. To access a list including any of these categories, simply click the number in orange. This completes this LOLA training video. Thank you very much.